Welcome back to this video. So in the previous one, I told you we're going to merge the previous three videos related to the select control and create a definition. So what is the definition to be solved here? The definition is we are not only interested to print the text and the value, but we are interested to print the text and value of only the option that is selected. So for now, let's say if I have selected the option sing, I am interested to print the text as well as the value of only this option which was selected. So the first thing I'll have to do is to find out which option is selected. So how do we do that? We will use the selected index property. All right. And then for this selected index property, the value which we receive, the index number, we are going to use it with the options array, and we are going to use the value and the text property. So let us create our variables here. I need one variable to store the index number, one variable to store the text value, and one variable to store the value of the selected option. So the first thing we'll do is find out which option is selected. So what is the syntax? So that's window.document.name of the form, name of the control, dot selected index with the I capital, if you remember. What will I contain? I would contain 0 if we selected this, 1 if we selected this, and 2 if we selected this. So now I know which option is selected from the variable I. It contains a number. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to fetch the value and text of the selected option. So first thing we'll do is fetch the text. So how do we fetch the text? We need to use the options array. Okay, I cannot fix a number here 0, 1 or 2. Rather, I have to use that number which indicates the current selection. And where is that number? That number is in I. So I am going to use I, right? So if I is 0, this refers to the first option, read option. So what am I fetching? I'm fetching the text of the first option. Similarly, for the value, I will use the same I because it represents the selected options index number. So this thing, and finally do what? Okay, print the text, print the value, and let us see whether this works. It should, unless I've made a syntax mistake. So I've selected the option right. So I'm getting the text printed and I'm getting W printed. So I think I'm getting the outputs correctly. So again, when I select right, what is I containing? I is containing 0, 1. I contains 1. So here options 1 refers to this option, and for this option I'm saying get me the text and get me the value. So I is containing a number, whereas T and V are containing texts. Texts as in strings. So T is containing the string right and V is containing the string W. I hope you got the answer. See you in the next video.